2017 Nissan Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, and most of the features come standard. Combine that with the powerful engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, air conditioning front, 4-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, center armrest, security system, power windows, trip computer, CD player, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, remote keyless entry, brake assist, tachometer, panic alarm, overhead console, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.